Newsbreak. Upang palakasin ang kakayahan ng mga sanggunyang sekretary sa epektibong pamahalaan, isinagawa ng Philippine League of Secretaries to the Sangguniang o PLICES Cordillera Administrative Region ang pagsasanay na may temang Empowering Secretaries in Local Legislation Towards Effective and Efficient Governance noong Oktubre 21, 2025 sa Davidson Hotel and Convention Center, Bulanao, Tabuk City. Ito ay dinaluhan ng mga sanggunyan secretaries mula sa iba't ibang lungsod, bayan at lalawigan sa buong Cordillera Region upang paigtingin ang kanilang papel sa proseso ng local legislation at mapalawak ang kanilang kakayahan tungo sa maayos na pamamahala. Sa kanyang mensahe, nagpasalamat si City Vice Mayor Attorney Dick Balao sa pagpili sa Tabuk City bilang venue ng nasabing kaganapan.
We want to thank the official of the PLICES for making Tabuk as your venue. This is in line, of course, with the aspiration of the city government, including, of course, the provincial government, to make Tabuk City as the next convention center outside Baguio City. And of course, we need to promote also our tourism industries in our city of Tabuk. That's why we need the attendance and visit of numerous personalities, not only locally but we encourage even international tourists. So we appreciate and we give you thanks, secretaries and employees of the Sangguniang Bayan or Sangguniang Pangunsod, Sangguniang Pangapawigan. For without you, of course, we cannot have a meaningful and effective legislations. Without you to take note and of course to visualize our agenda for legislation, I think we cannot succeed as legislators. And we reiterate that you enjoy your stay. To conclude, mabuhay ang PLICES. Welcome po kayo lahat sa Tabuk City. Matago Pakulusan.
Samantala sa mensahe naman ni Tabuk City Mayor Engineer Darwin C. Estraniero na ipinabatid ng kanyang kinatawan na si City Legal Counsel Attorney Christian Wandag, kanyang binigyang pugay ang dedikasyon ng mga sekretaris sa Sanggunian.
As mayor and former vice mayor of the city of Tabuk, I've seen how vital the Sanggunian is in shaping the direction of the local government. But I've also seen how quietly powerful the role of the secretary to the Sanggunian truly is. Behind every ordinance, every resolution, every session, there's a diligent secretary making sure everything is accurate, complete, and compliant. John Maxwell once said, "Success is when preparation meets opportunity." That quote fits you perfectly because you are always prepared with knowledge of the law, mastery of procedure, and attention to every small detail.
Ang naturang seminar workshop ay patunay ng patuloy na pagsuporta ng PLICES COR sa profesional na pag-unlad ng mga Sanggunian secretaries bilang mahalagang katuwang sa pagsusulong ng transparency, accountability at excellence sa lokal na pamahalaan. Ang nasabing aktibidad ay dinilohan din ng mga opisyal ng pamahalang panlalawigan ng Kalinga na pinangungunahan ni na Governor James Eduba at Vice Governor Dave Ojam. At yan ang balita para sa oras na ito. Ako po si Reddy Retotal. Tabuk City Newsbreak.